Y'all, so it is currently 3:40 a.m. and if you follow me on Instagram, you should know that I am actually trading London session now. I traded it before and I was successful with it. I was profitable with it, but I just couldn't stay up, bro. Like, I'm in Eastern Standard Time, so London session is like 3 a.m. That's exactly when it starts, and my scheduling at the time was like not fit for London. So I was like, you know what, I'm not just gonna trade this no more. I'm just stick with New York. And yeah, I feel more in tune with London. You know what I'm saying? I really feel like London has like a lot like cleaner like setups. It's not really manipulated as much as New York. It's really volatile, but not as volatile when New York has like news or 8:30, 9:30, 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it be messing up the whole flow of the way how I trade. So London is definitely something that like is very adaptable to the way I trade. So that's why I'm like making an effort to trade it more, you know, changing my scheduling, taking naps earlier if I have to. You know what I'm saying? Doing whatever I can to make sure that I stay up throughout my whole session, because I fall asleep way too many times during London, bro. But it's time to change that, honestly. It's really time to change that. I'm really about to like lock in with London sessions. So yeah, I have a certain strategy for London, but I really haven't like traded it because I just been locked in with New York. Since I'm about to be back in like my London session timing, I'm gonna be posting like my oil strategy with that. I had like other strategies with like more like currencies. Since I moved to futures from Forex, like I've been able to look at more symbols, and the symbol that I've been looking at is crude oil. And bro, crude oil moves so smooth, bro. Like, it's so crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually becoming my favorite symbol to trade on, and even more than gold. I'm not gonna lie, like even more than gold. And that says a lot because my whole career is literally based off of like gold and NAS. But after really seeing what oil been capable of doing, bro, I really think that it's like gonna be #1 for like a good amount of time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, currently I'm looking for a trade setup on micro crude oil, and I haven't really posted this strategy online because I'm just like, you know, tapping right back into London session. I just figured, you know, I bring y'all along the journey, you know, tag y'all along. If I get a setup, I get a setup. If not, then I'm probably gonna roll the outro. You know, this isn't really like the strategy video where I showcase this. That's gonna be for another further video. I have like good amount of data when it comes to like back testing this, and you know, all the way from like 2023, you know what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to showcasing that for real. And yeah, if I get a setup, then I'm gonna present y'all with the setup. But the main purpose of this video was really for me to talk about my new 50K challenge with trailing drawdown, and you know, my thoughts on it, my plans, and all that stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna see what happens tonight with oil. And if I get a setup, then I'm gonna come back. If not, then I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna end the video because I really don't have anything else to present. So as you can see, I've taken a new 50K challenge with my funded futures, but this one isn't like my static funded account. This one is gonna be end of day trailing drawdown, right? And I know what you're thinking, like on this channel, I've literally said that I am not trading trailing drawdown accounts, bro. I'm just not doing it. But I had a good conversation with another trader, and you know, it's making me realize that I have to adapt, bro. Like, I'm not gonna let a lot of profit go by just because I'm not adapted to some rules. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, I have nothing to worry about even if I do lose a challenge. But I did have to adjust some things, the way how I trade, the way how I risk. Certain things I have to adjust in order to abide by those rules. You know, giving the trailing drawdown a try. You know what I'm saying? And I'm the type of person that don't really like to give my opinions on something unless I try it. And I realized that I've been kind of like hypocritical to that on this channel when I'm like, let's say, bashing trailing drawdown. You know what I'm saying? I haven't even tried it yet. There's a positive with this new trailing drawdown account that I'm taking, and I'm gonna give you an example. So my balance would be 50K and my total drawdown is $2,000. So that's gonna be 4%, right? If I make 4%, if I match that drawdown that I have, that means that my account is gonna go from trailing to static. So if you start at 50K, let's say you make 52K, you got to make 52K and plus 100. So it's going to be 52,100, right? Let's say you make $5,200. That's going to equal to like what the drawdown was. So as that drawdown is like still kind of like trailing with you, it's going to lock in at your balance. So once it locks in at your balance, bro, you basically have a static account. So imagine if I do get like funded, right? Imagine I get funded again, like 50K. As soon as I make that 4%, bro, and plus 100, I'm good, bro. I'm good. So I feel like as long as I could get to that buffer zone and have my drawdown be like static again, I can definitely like risk how I want to risk, go about it accordingly to get like a payout. So it's not all that bad, you know what I'm saying? It's just actually getting there with the trailing drawdown that's going to be new to me. But like I said, I'm just going to see how it goes for real, and you know, y'all going to be on this journey with me. So yeah, it could be like the best thing ever for my career, you know what I'm saying? I'm never going to know until I actually try it. So that's why I made this decision to, you know, finally buy an account with trailing drawdown and see how it goes. Even if I fail, like let's say the first account, I'm not gonna just like give it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna like, oh, like trailing drawdown is trash. Like, no, bro, you have to fail multiple times in order to succeed, right? So it's like, I'm gonna spend a lot of time with trailing drawdown. I'm gonna spend a lot of time with like more accounts. And as the time goes, you know, I feel like with the futures prop firm industry, I feel like there's gonna be way more like Forex based prop firms coming over to futures, or like already previously set futures prop firms changing the rules to kind of like make it more like adaptable for newer traders who are coming into that futures space. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like it's gonna be like kind of like how Forex prop firms was, making rules like better. You know, everybody's like in competition with each other. You know, they don't want to lose customers. I'm sure they're gonna do whatever they gotta do to keep the customers with their company. You know, that's gonna cause with like better rules for us, like us as traders. And yeah, so I'm just really looking forward to that. Just looking forward to like more rules, better rules over at the futures industry. But I will say I am gonna give trailing drawdown a try. I think another good way to kind of look at it is like, even though it is one phase, right? You just like have one phase and you have to like pass this and then boom, you get funded. I think with most futures prop firms, you should look at it as a 2-phase. You have to make that buffer zone all over again, right? You don't just take a challenge or take a combine, pass the account, then as soon as you get the funded account, you make money and then like you could withdraw it. It's not like that. You have to build another buffer, like a whole nother buffer. So you building that other buffer is basically the same as a phase 2 with Forex based prop firms. Thinking about it as like a phase 2, more of like a phase 1, like it's advertised, I think it's better for the mind, just knowing that, okay, you have to do more things before you can get to the payout stage. Alright y'all, so it is currently 7:30 a.m. and we didn't take any trades because we didn't have any like valid setups, which is fine. I'm cool with that. I did stay up for my whole London session, so I stayed up from 2 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. and yeah, the more I do it, the more I could get accustomed to it, and you know, I could be like a London session trader. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to go for. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what I got going on right now. I have my funded account, which is a 30K static account, and I have my 50K account, which is a starter account. That's all I really got going on. You see the sun is like shining, sun is, you know, coming out. So I'm gonna start my day with some sleep because I'm about to deplete right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shoot. Okay, yeah, it's time to go. If you like the video, go ahead, like, comment, Bro, I really tripped, bro. What? If you liked the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, you know, do what you gotta do. That's all good. And until next time, I'll catch y'all. Be blessed, be safe, all that good stuff. And I'm out.